Part A of Paper 4 of CA Inter. I am Sreevathson, a chartered accountant who is sharing my knowledge on the subject of income tax at Bharadwaj Institute. Well, among all the 8 subjects, this is the most dynamic and absolutely interesting day-to-day applicable subject. Just tell anybody, it might be your neighbors, some peer, some friends, just tell them that you are doing CA and you are learning income tax. The first question they will ask you is, can you save my taxes? That interesting, that evolving, that dynamic is the subject. It changes year to year by the finance minister presenting the budget. Basically, our CA Inter income tax syllabus has the 5 heads of income along with deductions, along with TDS advance tax provisions, and a small area of administrative provision of filing of returns. 60 marks is the importance of this particular subject, but for a chartered accountant, this is going to be the most important, very vibrant subject. Well, in the classroom, we will discuss the subject at length. Our approach will be a trial and error method of learning. I will ensure that you enjoy the subject, at the same time understand it in depth, and also know the nuances of answering any questions in the examination. Our income tax book, yes, it is a book, will consist of all theory, questions in every chapter, which will cover our study material question, past asked question, RTPs, MTPs, and those questions will be converted to the relevant assessment year or relevant year for your examination. With our classroom learning and the material, you are definitely scoring 30 to 40 marks in the income tax paper itself. With indirect taxes also contributing, be sure exemption is not just a dream but a reality in this particular paper. Get ready to learn income tax in the best possible manner. Meet you in the classroom.